wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best bulb changes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, specifically designed to accommodate upward-facing bulbs like those on a chandelier, the Faraday Partners Highlight uses sticky silicone to create a hold on hard-to-reach lights. It's one of the only options available that works with flame-tipped bulbs. The pole won't bend or sway, and it's great for cathedral ceilings. However, it is frustrating and fiddly to maneuver. At number 9, the ettore 48450 kit is a great value considering its mirrored attachments and the long telescoping pole that comes with it. A great choice for homes or businesses with many styles of lights. It can access recessed and track lighting that other models can't. It includes a tool for broken bulbs, but there's no storage bag or case, and the pole tends to unscrew while in use. Coming in at number 8 in our list, no matter how many different types of lights you have installed in and around your property, the Unger Universal should be the last model you'll ever need. It comes with 5 heads for tackling most jobs, as well as a handy 11-foot telescoping pole. The heads nest for storage and is good for indoors and out. However, it is on the expensive side. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Unger FS00 Flood Sucker employs multiple small suction cups rather than just a large one, increasing your chances of gripping a floodlight securely. Unfortunately, it can be used only with poles that have tension clips, not universal threads. It works well even on dusty lights and is completely insulated, but it is meant only for wide recessed units. Moving up our list to number 6, the Mr. Longarm 4003 features flexible gripping fingers that reduce the chances of dropping a light after extracting it from a socket. It works best with incandescent and compact fluorescent styles, but can be used on almost any type. The spring-loaded design grips securely, however it does take some force to attach to a bulb, and it doesn't come with an extender pole. Halfway up our list at number 5. When there's shattered glass involved, swapping bulbs out can be dangerous. Fortunately, the Alden Ease Out can get the damaged unit out of a socket safely, as it's constructed from insulated materials to prevent any chance of an electrical shock. A shield protects your hands and it's reusable for multiple extractions, but it doesn't provide a good grip. At number 4, while it doesn't come with a pole, the eversprout twist works well with nearly any extender with a universal thread mount, so it's possible you already have a suitable one lying around. It uses padded finger-like prongs to grip lights for safe removal and installation. It's equipped with flange tips for easy attachment and is virtually indestructible. However, note that it's not designed for recessed fixtures. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, it can't help you reach up high, but if you worry about accidentally crushing or breaking a bulb while unscrewing it, then the Stick and Twist 10-pack can help. As its name suggests, you stick one of the pads on, then twist to remove the bulb without having to touch it. Each can be reused a few times, and they're good for recessed lighting. They'll work on most sizes of bulb. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Stauber Best is a simple device that's designed for heavy bulbs, with a super strong suction cup that prevents wobbling and drops. It features a steel pin that stops the cup from spinning while screwing in a new bulb. It comes with a cleaning device and a suction release cable. It fits on any standard threaded pole. And coming in at number 1 on our list, for standard incandescents, it's hard to beat the Bayco LBC 100. Its long fingers are kept taut with a tension spring, and its body is bright yellow, making it easy to find when you're rooting through your junk drawer in the dark. It includes a screw for securing onto most poles and weighs less than 5 ounces. It also works on spiral fluorescence. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bulb changes, or simply click beneath this video.